Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamaican tacos, full guide. Start by choosing your protein and marinating it in jerk spice for at least 1 hour. Prep fresh produce and warm tortillas or flatbreads while the meat rests. Cook the protein until caramelized and juicy, then assemble with slaw, pickled onions, and a tangy sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning, then plate for family or friends with bright lime wedges. Gather your ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and fun. Mix a jerk paste with scallions, garlic, allspice, thyme, and a bit of sugar to balance heat. Marinate your chosen protein for depth of flavor, or toss tofu cubes for a vegetarian option. Prepare a crunchy slaw and quick pickled onions to add acidity. Warm tortillas gently so they bend without breaking when filled and served. Heat a skillet until very hot to get a good sear on the marinated protein and build flavor quickly. Slice cooked protein thinly if needed, then lay it on warm tortillas or flatbreads. Add a crisp slaw, pickled onions, and fresh cilantro for contrast. Drizzle a creamy or tangy sauce over the top, squeeze lime for brightness, and offer hot sauce for those who want more heat. Serve immediately while warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.